Hello everyone and a warm welcome to Livescraper. In this video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step process to extract Google reviews from local businesses, franchise retailers, travel destinations, and any establishment listed on Google Maps. The best part, no coding or technical skills are required. It's all drag and drop. We'll be using Livescraper, a powerful and easy to use tool that makes review scraping effortless. So without further delay, let's dive right in. Before we begin, here's an important note and disclaimer. Always follow data laws and regulations in your country. To get started, you'll need a Livescraper account. If you haven't signed up yet, click the link in the description below. Signing up is quick and easy. Simply confirm your email and you're in. You can also sign up using Google or LinkedIn with one click. Start by naming your task for future reference to find any task within a second. Next, select the output format. CSV for Google Sheets compatibility, XLSX for viewing data on your computer. There are two ways to input data for scraping. One, simple query. Use business names. Simple search query, Google IDs or place IDs. 2. Categories and locations. Select a business type and location directly. First, let's try method 1, simple query. Click simple query, enter a list of business names or Google IDs, and Livescraper will retrieve all the reviews. Now, let's explore method 2, categories and locations. Uncheck simple query. Select a category, for example, restaurants. In the location search box, type Los Angeles and select Los Angeles, California from the drop-down. This will extract all restaurant reviews in Los Angeles, California. Now let's refine our search using review parameters. Important notice, be careful while selecting the filters. If you apply conflicting or incorrect filters, the tool may return 0 results. Make sure to double check your selections before running the task. First option is sorting. There are 4 sorting on Google. Most relevant, reviews ranked by Google's algorithm. Newest, extract the most recent reviews. Highest rated, focus on 5-star and top rated reviews. Lowest rated, collect negative reviews. If you select highest ratings, you can filter out reviews below a certain rating. Similarly, for lowest ratings, you can exclude high rated reviews. For this demo, let's select newest reviews to extract the latest feedback. In the reviews limit per one place section, you can define how many reviews you want to extract per location. Set 0 to scrape all available reviews for each place, or specify a custom limit based on your needs. Next, in the places per one query search section, you can set how many places to scrape per query. The maximum allowed value is 500, ensuring you get the most data in a single search. Inside advanced parameters, you can also choose the language of the reviews. By default, it's set to English, but you can select any language you need. We provide over 25 plus data fields in the output. Under the columns to return section, you can select only the relevant columns you need. Keep the default selection, which includes all available fields. With these customization options, you can optimize your results, ensuring you get only the most relevant data for your analysis. Once you've set all the parameters, click on Get Data. This will provide you with a rough estimate before running the task. It's important that you ensure you have enough credits before starting. If your account doesn't have sufficient credits, the system will prompt you to add credits before proceeding. The estimated time is usually overestimated. Even if it says 1 hour, in reality, it will likely take much less time. The final result count may also vary slightly based on live data availability. If everything looks good, click Confirm, and Livescraper will start extracting the reviews. On the task page, you can track your running tasks in real time. Once completed, click Google Map Reviews to download the results. You will also receive an email notification when your task is finished. Once your task is completed, go to the task page and download the file. Your extracted data includes over 25 plus fields, such as business name, location link, Google IDs, review scores, author name and image, review ID, review text, review URL, date, and more. And that's how easy it is to scrape Google Maps reviews with Livescraper. Try it for free and scrape up to 500 places. If you have any questions or feedback, drop a comment below. Your input helps us improve Livescraper and introduce new features. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.